In this video, I'm going to show you how to look up a column using Excel in n8n step by step. This is a simple but very useful setup when you want n8n to find specific data from an Excel sheet based on a column value without manually checking rows one by one. If you work with spreadsheets, automation, or data workflows, this can save you a lot of time. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more n8n tutorials. Now let's get started. First, open your n8n workflow and go to the Nodes panel. On the left side, search for Microsoft Excel. Once you see the Microsoft Excel node, click it to add it to your workflow. This is the node you'll use to connect n8n with your Excel data. After adding the Microsoft Excel node, you need to choose the option to look up a column. In the node settings, find the operation section and select Look Up a Column. This tells n8n that you want to search for a matching value inside one of the columns in your spreadsheet. Now it's time to configure the node by giving it the required details. You'll need to connect your Microsoft account if you haven't already. Then choose the workbook, worksheet, and the specific column you want to search in. Make sure the column name matches exactly, because even a small difference can prevent the lookup from working correctly. Next, enter the value you want n8n to find in that column. This could be a name, an ID, an email address, or any other unique piece of data from your sheet. Once you provide the lookup value, n8n will search the selected Excel column and return the matching row or record. If your workflow needs the result for another step, you can use the output from this node in the next node of your automation. That way, n8n can continue processing the matched data automatically. So to recap, open the Nodes panel, choose Microsoft Excel, select Lookup a Column, and then configure it by giving the required details. That's all you need to do to set up a column lookup in Excel using n8n. If this tutorial helped, please like the video and subscribe for more quick n8n guides. Thanks for watching.